Welcome to this tutorial on making money with Google Firebase Studio. Google Firebase Studio is a powerful platform that allows developers to build, deploy, and monetize mobile and web applications. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to make money using Google Firebase Studio. First, you need to create a Google Firebase account and set up your project. This involves going to the Google Firebase website, signing in with your Google account, and creating a new project. Once your project is set up, you can start building your application using Google Firebase Studio. To make money with Google Firebase Studio, you need to integrate ads into your application. Google Firebase Studio provides a range of ad formats, including banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads. You can choose the ad format that best suits your application and integrate it using the Google Firebase Studio SDK. Another way to make money with Google Firebase Studio is through in-app purchases. You can use Google Firebase Studio to create in-app purchases and manage your digital goods. This involves setting up a payment gateway, creating a product catalog, and integrating the in-app purchase SDK into your application. In addition to ads and in-app purchases, you can also make money with Google Firebase Studio through data analytics. Google Firebase Studio provides a range of analytics tools that allow you to track user behavior and optimize your application for better performance. You can use these analytics tools to identify areas of your application that can be improved and make data-driven decisions to increase revenue. To get started with making money using Google Firebase Studio, you need to have a basic understanding of programming concepts and app development. You also need to have a Google Firebase account and a project set up. Once you have these basics in place, you can start exploring the various features and tools provided by Google Firebase Studio to monetize your application. Best practices for making money with Google Firebase Studio include optimizing your ad placement, providing a good user experience, and using data analytics to inform your decisions. You should also ensure that your application complies with Google Firebase Studio's terms and conditions, as well as any relevant laws and regulations. In conclusion, making money with Google Firebase Studio requires a combination of technical skills, business acumen, and creativity. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the features and tools provided by Google Firebase Studio, you can create a successful and profitable application. Remember to always follow best practices and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the field of app development and monetization.